Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna have a sample of establishing a framework for business communication. This is your first chapter. In this class, we're gonna learn about communication. What is communication and what is communication in business? Explain the communication process model and talk about the flow of information in an organization and explain how legal and ethical constraint influence the process of communication. This is how actually the information is gone through the transaction. First, the sender actually sends the message. It's received by the receiver. And through this communication, there's always a feedback. So, for example, the A actually tells B to give him a document, and the B actually comes for clarification and asks, what kind of document do you want to have? So the transactional process model of communication says that there's always feedback present and there. What is important is that the receiver always need to actually understand what is the meaning behind the message that has been sent. And there are inferences. The way sometimes the communication is not so clear. There are ways that information was embedded in the message. So the person that receives it needs to actually decipher it and understand what this message is all about. In any organization, we have two type of communication. One is formal communication, the other one is informal communication. For example, when we have actually are sending information between different people in an organization, it might come as in a form of like a letter. Sometimes actually people interact informally to kind of communicate what's going on in the organization, and that is called usually grapevine. So, for example, in a formal communication, a company actually may give you all a memo and tell you what this company is going to do. On the other hand, you can actually think about informal communication when there's a rumor or somebody actually knows something and is going to actually share that with you. So since this is actually for tests, I'm going to stop here, but I just wanted to show an example of a video and how I would present. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time.